back there. That's the same that I was just talking to us? Oh, there's an entrance back there? He's drinking beer. He's drinking beer.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't be caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits,
for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner. Liberation is touching block range.
Is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Prisoners not seen on the team. There they are! Fire! If anyone's backing the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods, they're below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
Brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
What happens here? This doesn't look good. Huh?
Okay, you're clear.
your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Stafford's pocket. I really don't understand. Why are they stopping?
I think they're holding out for some kind of compensation.
Are you kidding?
Look, you'll be treated well.
Could you at least drop off the recruits first? Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
You're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.